Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. So today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. On Saturday I was here doing an event. They had an event here. They did like a bus tour and they went around to a bunch of different small businesses for Small Business Saturday. So I kind of went around and showcased some of the booths. I didn't do all of them. There's a lot of them in there. But I wanted to kind of show you what Storehouse has and just kind of showcase some of the vendors. A lot of holiday stuff right now. So I just wanted to go through and show you what they have. So let's get started. All right, so here is one booth that I'm in. She's got a lot of cute stuff. There's a little garland up there. Let's see what else. I love these pillows. These pillows are so cute. There's the Santa, the little penguin, there's a gnome, and behind here is Rudolph. These are just so stinking cute. Just kind of scan around. She has some other holiday stuff. Here are some treats she brings in from Canada. So if you don't know, Storehouse is located in Port Huron, Michigan. Then here's another booth. This is actually my booth. So we'll just scan around. Did some holiday, some trees. There's a wreath. Just some other little shelf sitters, some decor. Some holiday room sprays. And some more shelf sitters. These are some little Tom and Jerry mugs. They are so cute. There's just one of that red and white one. And then there's 5 of the other ones. I had a bowl too, but that sold. I love that Santa. Just lots of little holiday. There's a lamp up there. And I took one of those old wooden measuring sticks and made it into a star. Some more holidays. I love these little Santa and Mrs. Claus mugs with the trees. Little angel. Just all kinds of fun things. There's some magnets. There's a cute little wall hanging. There's another one down there too. Here's another booth. She's got some really cute. I believe this is Linda's booth. Lots of really cute holiday little trinkets. Minnie and Mickey all dressed up for Christmas. And there's some wreaths up there. Her booth is just jam-packed. All kinds of holiday stuff. See an old window. There's some mugs. Some trees. I love this little milk carton. It's a little ceramic milk carton. That's so cute. Little chess if you play chess. And here's some other, if you're a Ray Dunn fan, she's got a lot of Ray Dunn. I believe this is, I want to say Abby's. I don't know everybody in here yet, but I've met a few people. Lots of cute stuff. Lots of holiday. So if you're ever in the Port Huron area, you need to stop by and blind date with the book. Those are really cool. She has them all wrapped up, and then she has some little information on there. They're really cute. And then here's another booth. She's got some socks, and there's lots of jewelry. And then here's another one. I think this is Shelly's booth. She's got a lot of vintage Christmas. So if you like the vintage, you're going to want to definitely come and check her booth out. I love that tree. There's some stockings back there. I love that granny square one. Little carolers. Just lots of really cool. I love the deer. I love this booth. I think this might be Linda's also. I love that rug. Little elf on a shelf. She just has it set up really pretty. I love that little Santa. And he kind of sings as he goes. He's really adorable. And this has, I think this one was off the beaten path, and she has some treats and some really good smelly candles if you like candles. Just lots of really cool stuff in her booth too. And then this one here, I think this is here on Lake Life, I believe. She's got some really cool things in her booth too. So make sure I love those little trays right there. And then this booth, she has lots of little kids' clothes. I actually bought a little sleeper, a little outfit from there for my grandson. Really super cute. Here's one. Everything's Christmas. Anything you're ever going to need for Christmas is at Storehouse. A lot of really neat and unique gifts if you have a hard-to-buy person, hard-to-buy for person. This is a really cool place to come and shop. So if you see something that you like and you're not local, Emily will ship it to you. So just contact Storehouse, let her know what the item was, and they'll go find it, and then they'll give you a price to ship it, and they'll ship it out to you. So I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button, and I will see you next time.